Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study contract law effectively. Start by outlining key doctrines and building a realistic study schedule with daily goals. Prioritize active recall and spaced repetition when reviewing rules and exceptions. Brief cases into concise issue rule application conclusion formats and solve practice questions aloud. Discuss problems with peers and teach concepts to reinforce understanding and build exam confidence and clarity. In this segment, I will explain study techniques for contract law. Prioritize practice questions and flash recall over passive reading to strengthen memory. Make one-page cheat sheets for each doctrine to condense essential rules and examples. Rotate topics weekly and schedule short reviews to leverage spaced repetition and prevent last-minute cramming. Use timed practice exams and targeted review of wrong answers to steadily close knowledge gaps. And in this section, I will explain how to practice with cases and hypotheticals. Read and brief cases to capture facts, issues, rules, rationale, and holdings clearly. Apply rules to varied hypos and tweak facts to probe exceptions and policy limits. Practice under timed conditions to build exam pacing and prioritization skills. Regularly revisit older briefs and integrate rules into schemas so you can recall and apply concepts quickly under pressure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.